How you doing, guys? As you know, my name is Muish Yusuf, property investor, property developer. I'm standing here in our 6-bedroom HMO that's fully completed and actually fully tenanted as well. So let's go. So, as you walk in, guys, you're hit with style and decor. As you can see, we've got a lovely wood paneling and a lovely gold frame mirror. So we have room number 1, and all of our bedrooms are very similar in size and very similar in the color palette that we've gone for as well. So the palettes that we've gone for are the midnight ink, the rock salt, and the downpipe in different areas. Every single bedroom is provided with a wardrobe and a double bed. So let me take you to the other room. Okay, room number 2. So this room, very similar to room number 1, nice and big, but it's got a lovely feature to it. Okay, not just a feature chimney breast here, but also this lovely, nice private patio garden area. So what we've done here, we basically cornered off some of the section here, and this is a nice little private patio for whoever's going to stay in this room here, but also they still have access to the big garden area here. And yeah, I think it makes sense. It's a good way to add value to the room as well. So you can't say we haven't been generous here. So this is going to be the lovely big shower room that can be shared between room number 1 and room number 2. As you can see, we kept it really simple and really sleek. And if you see around it, we've got a big shower unit here, lovely illuminated mirrors, and it's just a nice, simple, clean shower room. So as you can see, we're in the lounge section of the house. It's a very big space, provided 55-inch TV. Once again, very generous again. And the decor we've gone for, we've gone for the nice herringbone flooring and some nice furniture as well, just to give it a nice little style to it as well. Nice big space, because the whole point is about having the 6 people come together and have that communal sort of interaction, so they're not just stuck in their rooms. So let me show you the kitchen. Okay, so as you can see behind me, with the big kitchen area with ample, massive storage, enough for 10 people, to be fair. And we've got the breakfast bar area here. There's actually a funny story about this section, but if you follow me a bit more, I'll tell you about that in terms of how we changed the plan, what we had originally. But I believe this actually works as well. So we've got storage underneath here as well, and we've got the 2 ovens here, the 5 burner here for the HMO regulations, and we've got a washer dryer right here. We've got 2 big fridge freezers. So imagine 3 people sharing that, people sharing that, and we've got more storage there as well. And also, there's access to the big garden through here as well. So as you can see, we've got the massive garden here, massive space. This is to be a complete tip. If you've been following my journey, you know exactly how the garden used to look. We literally took out all the big sleepers at the back there, and we opened it up. And I didn't realize how big the garden would actually be. And what we've done as well, we put down turf to keep it, the maintenance very less expensive and keep it really simple. So the tenants, all they have to do is sweep it up, pick up the leaves and all that sort of stuff. Okay, that's the ground floor, and now we're going to go to the first floor. Okay, so we're on the first floor, and this is the bathroom shared between room number 3 and room number 4. Once again, very generous, nice big space. This is the only bathroom in the house, and it also has a shower unit as well. So we're in one of the biggest rooms in the house, and this is a big room with a lovely ensuite as well. It's got a lovely view of the garden area, which is amazing. And as you can see, very similar to all other rooms, same sort of colorway, and everything similar in terms of what we provide as well. So let me show you the ensuite, because that's the best part of this room. So let's go. Once again, very generous again. Look at this massive ensuite. Literally just walk in, shower, and obviously you've got the nice mirrors that we've got here as well. Very similar to all the bathrooms in the house. And similar colorway, we've gone for the grey, the light grey, very similar to all the other, bathrooms or en-suites in the house as well. So tell me what you think. And that's the tour, guys, of the 6-bed HMO that we've got in Bromley. I'm happy to say that it's fully tenanted and we're achieving 5,450 in total. So I'll give you a breakdown of the costing a bit later on, but stay tuned for any other new projects that we might be doing. Thank you, stay blessed, take care.
I'm rich stylish, tryna get a bank roll too. F color VV, yes, my diamonds.